Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
Bye-bye, dear.
According to legend, the god Takemikazuchi arrived in Nara on a white deer to guard the capital. Since then, deer have guarded this city. During the Nara period of 710 to 794, Nara served as the capital before it was changed to Kyoto City. This was in order to consolidate the power of the religious. Hey, dummy! Work.
Gabby went off into the wilderness. Filmed the deer.
Remember that time that Gabby fought a deer and it was Gabby versus Stabby and the deer?
I do remember that.
Gabby versus Stabby.
I filmed the bit where it stabbed her in the butt.
My money's on the deer.
Hmm.
No offense, Gabs.
Challenger.
Nara has many shrines and temples, all of which make up the UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Either way, Dope's still in line. Probably have to subtitle that since I'm whispering.
How do you feel about Nara?
It's It's good.
Extra saucily. If you like the spot, give it a thumbs up. Oh, that's exactly what I meant. Look at that saucy rooster. Super saucy.
Let's see if it's spicy.
It smells a little spicy.
I put a bunch of powder.
Yeah. We will probably go down that road. But also I've got the kotatsu sauce to try. It's good?
Yeah.
It's hilarious, Gabby.
It's delicious. Delicious.